Hey friend, welcome to my home. My name is Holly, and I am inviting you to join my family as we pursue a very different kind of life from the world around us. It's a life of holistic health that is joyful and brave and thriving. Now, years ago, this is not where we were. I was an ER nurse. We lived in a city, and for years, I loved the thrill and the excitement of the emergency department. Bringing people back to life is an amazing feeling. But then I started to see the vast limitations that exist in the medical industry. I started having health problems. My family started having health issues, and the hospital didn't have answers for us. Then I started seeing patients coming in repeatedly to the hospital with questions, with pain, searching and feeling hopeless, and just looking for answers. But they weren't given answers. They were given a prescription and they were told, your testing doesn't show anything. We don't know what's going on. So try this, take this, let's see what happens. And that wasn't good enough. It wasn't good enough for my family. It wasn't good enough for the people around me who were looking for healing. So I started looking for answers elsewhere. I started looking outside the conventional model, and I did find healing. I found it for my family, and I found it for those who were around me feeling helpless and not sure what to do. So I left my job as an ER nurse because I saw a better way to care both for my family and for those around, looking for a deeper, more foundational kind of health. About 2 years ago, we left city life behind and we stepped fully into a vision that God had given us years before, one of creating a home to be a place of healing both for our family and for those around us. We wanted to create a place where we could be grounded in health and in faith and community, and where we could raise our kids not just to be status quo, but to actually thrive, to be rooted in health and in God's truth and in connection to nature and in community with those around us. For us, this kind of health starts at the table with the food that we eat, the conversations that we share, the togetherness that happens there at mealtime, both with our own family and with others that we bring around our table. This is where healing begins. And then it keeps going past this into the quiet daily rhythms of our life, how we move our bodies, how we spend time outside, how we rest well, and how we stay connected to God and to those around us. Now, our life is not perfect. Raising a healthy family is not easy and it's not convenient, but it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about living intentionally and consistently with purpose and with wisdom. And this is what I want to share here, what real holistic family life looks like. Not just what a beautiful, lovely, perfectly curated holistic life looks like, but what a real family going through this can be like. I know firsthand how scary it is to have a child who is sick or hurt, but I also know what it's like to be able to show up in a crisis, calm and prepared and ready to take charge of the situation. I want to help you do the same when your kids are not well. As parents, you need more than panic or frantic internet searches. You need tools, you need wisdom and understanding. You need to know how to assess your child in the situation, to know when you need medical support, or if you can stay home and help your kids. And if you can, then how do you do that? How do you give them appropriate foods and remedies and therapies at home that will heal? I truly believe that you are capable of so much more than you have been told. You, the parent, are not powerless. You are your child's protector, the nurturer. You are the first responder in your home. And when you are prepared and knowledgeable, you can take care of your kids with confidence and with peace and actually see them heal. So that's what this space is. This is a place where you will be encouraged and equipped to raise your kids holistically, not from a place of fear, but from a place of wisdom and confidence. This is what you're going to find here. You will see gardens and chickens and sunsets and beautiful nature. You will see us cooking nourishing foods and navigating real sickness. You'll see the messy and you'll see beautiful. You will see pain and healing. You will see what it looks like when a family chooses deeper health every single day. So whether you are here to learn or to heal or just to feel inspired and heard, you are very, very welcome here. Come with me and let's grow our families healthier together.